Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm Malal from Morocco, and in today's video I'll react to a song by Hadia Hashmi. E puttar hatan te nahi vikde. It's in Punjabi. So although मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगी लेकिन let's get started.
ए पुत्र हटाते नहीं विकदे, ए पुत्र हटाते नहीं विकदे, की लबनिए विच बाजार कुड़े, देने मेरे दाता दी, ए देने मेरे दाता दी, ना टकरा मार कुड़े, पुत्र हटाते नहीं विकदे। ए पुत्र विकाऊ चीज नहीं, ए पुत्र विकाऊ चीज नहीं, मुल दे के चोली पाजेनी, एडा सस्ता माल नहीं, कितो जाके मंग ले आजेनी, ए सौदा नकद भी नहीं मिलदा, ए सौदा नकद भी नहीं मिलदा, तू लभदी फिरे उधार कुड़े, पुत्र हटाते नहीं विकदे।
Amazing performance by the talented Hadia Hashmi. Unfortunately मुझे एक लफ्ज़ समझ में नहीं आया because it's a Punjabi song that was, I guess, sung by Noor Jahan, and I saw that people were like very emotional because obviously they were understanding the meaning of the song, but I could not. But I was just enjoying the singing talent of the amazing Hadia Hashmi. She has a very beautiful voice and a great talent, mashallah. God bless her, and salute to all the shuhada and all the army soldiers who are sacrificing their life for our countries and for us. They are real heroes, and we really appreciate their sacrifices, and we are really proud of them. So that was a really great song, and thank you so much for suggesting me this one. See you in the next video. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.
ए पुत्र हटाते